Today we're going to look at something really simple, and that is panning. One of the reasons we need to look at panning is because it is an essential requirement at Nat 5. To do a bit of panning in this project, I'm going to have a look back at my Soccer Planet advert. Now I want to keep the main vocals down the middle. It's almost like you're mixing a band and you want to keep the main vocals, the main singer, down the middle, so we'll keep that presenter down the middle. We will then move some of this, you could almost call it Foley sound, to the sides. Let's create a lovely wide mix. Let's move this chanting crowd ambience to the left hand side, and I won't go hard left, I'll go somewhere maybe mid left. We'll move that initial crowd cheer off to the right hand side. I'm trying to keep this balanced. What you don't want is kind of a lopsided mix. And this cheering large crowd, I will move that just off to the left as well, or maybe to the right. That might give it a bit more balance, because I've already got that chanting crowd ambience, that's the bigger sound, on the left hand side. One thing to be aware of when you're doing your panning is sometimes when everything's panned down the centre, it can start to obscure any other sounds that are maybe down the centre. So when you do your panning, what you're doing is you're almost creating a bit of space in your mix. So you're creating width, that's going to be nice and appealing to your listener, and you're creating space for some of these different sounds or different instruments.